Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Ketua PWD jangka Sorkar Jylla hakash pautrik ujemang arajar posau kelesyong hingga jingalang perkhatkam bagi nong mikmat ke National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited nagabenta banyak teritai hakabede bat ke Thmu jangka Sorkar Jylla ban Shna hingga Surok National Highway ke penyesok nadu Umïam syadu ke nong Malidor ke badan hakaput ke Jylla Assam. Hakaji keren bakila patai kubor hadim balawai ke jingalang uba Preston Tensong ubade usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uba pe yakatana PWD ulay thu bakajing jurong jongga ke Surok lakhenya antar bakadan hadu shispa sanpau kilometer tam neduna. Shosho ulay thu baka Sorkar ka batha ek Deputy Commissioner jongka Khasi Hills Ribhoi District ka West Giant Hills baka East Giant Hills bikin thau iki komiti nagabentaban plilinti yakni ka project bakong santam haga Jylla Meghalaya kebenkot la kumnu arpho hadu arpho arhaja klotingka.
So today we call all the concerned departments. We discuss along with NHISM because NHISM is the company who has taken over for construction of these 4-lane roads, starting, as I said, from from that flyover of Umïam, Barakam, and up to the border Assam, border Meghalaya, border Assam, up to Malidor. So the distance, the total length of this road is more or less about 150 or 60 kilometers. So we discussed everything, and now I have instructed the respective Deputy Commissioner to have a dedicated district committee by involving all the officers of each department, be part of the members, and along with the NHS. So now, East Khasi, we already have a committee. Ribhoi District, we already have a committee. Now I instructed West Giant Hills and East Giant Hills. They are going to constitute this similar committee for this important project, which is very, very important for the state of Meghalaya. See, the project is huge because this one, it goes down up to Silsha, and it I think more or less is about maybe 22,000 crores. No, the length of see for us from starting from Parapani, it's about 160 or 170 kilometers. My concern is only for Meghalaya, but beyond that, then again, government of Assam is taking off with the NHS. That's why I told East and West Giant Hills Deputy Commissioners to start constituting a committee involving all, be it revenue, then be it PWD road, be it forest department, and be it agriculture, or be it building, all the department concerned in the district level. They will have to be a member in that committee, and they will resolve the issue one by one. Don't ask me that question, when are we going to complete? Because now the process is on. Number one is we have to complete the detailed survey, the alignment, where more or less we reach to the final stage. Package 1, Package 2, Package 3. Okay? Package 1, Package 2, Package 3 is more or less we are in the final stage. And then, because within Meghalaya we have five packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then not only that, we do have also a proposal for construction of tunnels. About 3 tunnels will be constructed all along this road. So right now, this is the issue where the company and along with the state government in the district level will attend to one by one, and once that is done, then we will start the process of land acquisition.